In this video, I will show you exactly how to play the Blobfish in Deep.io so you can start dominating each and every server. Let's get into it. Firstly, you must choose the right evolution path, which isn't hard, by selecting Blobfish at tier 1, and be careful not to misclick. The Blobfish has the highest base stats of all tier 1 animals. A player can choose to start as, or main as. It has no skeleton, no swim bladder, and very minimal muscles. The Blobfish is completely reliant on the high pressure surroundings to keep their body in shape, and once removed from their habitat, they will collapse into a gooey, messy pink blob. Like most animals, the Blobfish is able to dash boost. This will cause it to pulse itself forward and dealing a massive 25% more damage to animals. As well as, when losing pressure, the Blobfish's image changes to a pink, disintended version, acting as a warning that you're in the wrong habitat. This is very useful. Like other tier 1 and tier 8 animals, the Blobfish is not able to damage or be damaged by their own kind, which makes teaming a very viable strategy to implement into your gameplay. Additionally, the Blobfish is not able to be damaged by the oarfish or any tier 10 animal. One unique strategy is that the Blobfish does not drop meat upon death. Simple, yet highly effective. This encourages a lot of animals to not target you, which will give you plenty of time to gather 4000 XP to evolve into a king crab. Let's break down the raw stats. Having a speed of 100, 200 total health, 20 base damage, and 1 boost, along with 1 buff being immune to deep corals. Oxygen time 45 seconds, temperature time 40 seconds, pressure time 5 seconds, and salinity time 20 seconds. All realistic skins are pale toadfish, fathead scrollpin, and western blobfish. All seasonal and unrealistic skins are doublefish, bulbfish, fancy blobfish, and zodiac pinkfish. Before we reveal the counters, this video is sponsored by QuickZoo. They make unfiltered and brutally honest educational content about our planet and wildlife. Make sure to check them out, link in description. The main counters to blobfish are all these animals on screen. However, the blobfish does specialize in hunting lanternfish, plankton, and algae. Comment your thoughts about a blobfish tutorial. Even though most players believe this animal sucks, I believe it can be very strong in the hands of experienced players. Very experienced players. As always, make sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful.